Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to get punch emote in Stumble Guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So when you open Stumble Guys, you will be able to see an option called the Stumble Pass. And here you need to scroll until you find the punch emote. Okay, so I'm not seeing it here. So what we can do is we can go to shop. After going to shop, you should be able to see an option called this punch emote. And it's a sale going on right now. So you can get it at 68% discount, which is only 242 INR, which is close to around just $2.50 or something, or just $3. So that's how you can get that, or you can also get that through spinning. And there are various modes of trying to do that, but I would just suggest you to buy it from here. It's very cheap, so you can buy it. Just click on it and just buy it from here. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.